I bought some books. Let's talk about it. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Get Lost with Books. This is Anusha. So, this is my second book haul in this YouTube channel. So, let's have a look what books I got today. It has been very long since I bought some books. So, I went out and bought these books from the bookstores directly rather than ordering them from online portals. Today, I have around 17 books that I bought. I bought these books based on different reasons. Let's have a look. What are these books about? I bought these books from, I think three different bookstores. So I'll be talking based on which books I bought from which bookstore in that category. Like, for example, I bought these books from Blossom Book House, Book Hive, and Crossword. So I'll be organizing them in that way so that you will not have any confusion. So let's get started. The first bookstore I'm going to talk about is the Blossom Book House. It's a very huge bookstore in Bangalore. It's located in Church Street, Mahatma Gandhi Road. I'll be adding the address in the description, and this is the shop that I'm talking about. It's very huge, and it has very good collections, and it has different genre books in that store. So, if you are a book lover, I suggest you must go check this shop out. Not only the new books, not only the new books, it also has those old books which are stored in one part of this bookstore, which are having great authors, like legendary authors. So you can check them out. Also, they have a very good variety of non-fiction books as well. So let's see what books I got today from Blossom Book House store. The first book is Strange Buildings by Uketsu. This book is going viral on Bookstagram, Booktube, I know. So I was curious what's in this book. And also, when I went to bookstore, as you can see the cover, it's really different, and it's really appealing to read it. And they have also some kind of pictures with the explanation and stuff. So I'm very curious to read this book. I'm very curious how author might have used buildings to make us creepy. I mean, how can buildings or houses be the main concept? It's very different. For me, it's different. Okay, I'm seeing this for a first time. Like, how will this author use this? I'm curious to read. So this is my first book that I bought, and its MRP is 599. But I got it in uh, at 480 rupees in Blossom Book House. Next book is Esther Year by Caro Claire Burke. Esther Year. I know, I know. This is also going viral on the Bookstagram and Booktube. So I was curious why everyone is reading this. I wanted to give it a try. I didn't want it to miss out. And as you can see, you have used yesterday as a common word your whole life, right? But here you see Esther Year. The title itself is very unique for me, and it's like I'm curious to see what might be this about. And as you can see, the cover page is also very unique. A woman, and apart from like half of the upper part is cows and a woman taking the milk out. Very different and unique cover also. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Our third book is Dark Matter by Blake Crouch. I know this book is also going viral. Everyone is reading. That was the reason I picked this up. And also the cover, it looks very unique, like fascinating to read. And I think this is a thriller and science fiction kind of book. Curious to read this as well. Let's see. Yeah, this book I got for 480 rupees. The original price is 599 rupees. Good price. Next book is The Vegetarian by Han Kang. Um, this is also a very interesting book, like everyone are reading, so pick this up. I didn't want it to miss this out. The Vegetarian. Let's see how it will be. And this also, it's 4.99. I got it for 400. The next book is Listen for the Lie by Amy Tintera. Some of the booktube channel I have watched, I don't remember exactly who, but they had suggested that this book is really good. So I was looking for this book and I found it in Blossom Book House, and I couldn't stop from buying. I'm so curious what it will be. I think this is a psychological thriller or crime kind of story. Not sure. Going blind to read this. Let's see how it goes. And this also I got for 480 rupees. The MRP is 599. Okay, not bad. Good discount. The next book is Taiwan Travel Log by Yang Shuangzi. I hope that is how it's pronounced. I think this book is about some traveling, uh, like travel log kind of thing. Like the lady, she goes to Taiwan, and uh, whatever she experiences. And I think this is also quite good rated book online. So I wanted to give it a try. And the MRP is 499. I got it for 400. The next book is Shimla Affair by Shrishti Chowdhury. Again, this is, I think, a murder mystery kind of book. I saw that everyone is rating this book is very good, so I wanted to give it a try. Nice cover, by the way. And the MRP is 350, and I got it for 280. The next book is a murder. Okay, sorry, Murder Under a Red Moon by Harini Nagendra. As you can see, very beautiful cover. Okay, the design, and yeah, uh yeah, I think this is also kind of detective and murder mystery kind of book. Curious to read. And the MRP is 499. I got it for 400. Next book is The Home and the World by Rabindranath Tagore. I think this is a classic book. The story is about, I think, during the partition of Bengal in 1905. Uh, it talks about how women were, the connection between women and the world was. Let's see, this is my first book by Rabindranath Tagore. I know he wrote national anthem and he's very important figure for India. Unfortunately, I haven't read any book, so I want to give it a try. This is my first book. Let's see how it goes. And yeah, I got this book for good price, 200 rupees. So those were the books by Blossom Book House. They give very good discount on books. I mean, they are not more, but as you saw, the quality of the books are very good. For that, they have given a good amount of discount. So yeah, those were the books by Blossom Book House. So next book house or bookstore in Church Street I must suggest is Book Hive. I'll be adding the picture here, and I'll also add the address in the description. You can go check it out. The staff here is very calm, very supportive, very friendly. I must appreciate them. I usually visit this store whenever I go to Church Street. So yeah, very good bookstore. So let's see what I got from them. The first book I want to talk is Twilight by Stephanie Meyer. Okay, this is a old book. uh I got it for 150 rupees. That's fine. I picked this book because I wanted to give it a try. Like, I want to read it. As I have read so many books, I didn't want to miss this book. And the Twilight movie is my favorite, favorite book from childhood. Like, I mean, when I'm not sure, like, I was in school, I had watched this movie from Star Movies. You remember, right? This movie, they used to air in Star Movies. Star Movies were the channel where we used to uh, see those English movies, nostalgia. So the Twilight movie, it's like embedded in my heart. Like, I am emotionally connected to that movie. So I wanted to read the book. So I bought this. It's beautiful. I know it's old, but still there is some vibe with this book um, that I can't explain. Yeah, happy to get this. So after this, I think I'll also pick up the next parts as well, because I have watched all the parts of this movies. And the music, the direction, the dialogue, the actors, whatever it is, the view, whatever, each and everything, it's very close to my heart. This movie is very close to my heart, so pick this book. Let's see how it goes. The next book is Six of Crows by Leigh Bardugo. I think this is very, very famous on Bookstagram and BookTube channels. Like everyone are reading. I haven't tried any fantasy books, so I did lot of research so that the fantasy book also should have the elements that will match my interest, like my field of interest, like my favorite genre is thriller and horror, so somewhere near to that genre, like that's what I did. Some research, I asked ChatGPT. I told ChatGPT exactly what I was looking for in the fantasy book, because I wanted to try some fantasy books, but not like, you know uh, very far from real world. I don't know, I prefer watching movies which are magical, like Harry Potter and Stranger Things, are like, I love them, I adore them. Twilight also, like I adore them, I love them. But I prefer to watch them rather than reading. So for reading any fantasy fiction books, I wanted to select very mindfully. Like I didn't want to grab all the books that everyone are reading, because I'm not a fantasy reader or dark romance reader. So I have picked this book. Let's see how it goes. I picked it from Book Hive. Got it for 300 rupees. I'm sure it's way more costlier than that. They haven't written any MRP, but for 300, guys, see the book condition. It's really, like in good quality. Okay, it's really in good quality. Actually excited to read this book. Let's see how it goes. Nice book. If I like this, I'll pick up the next second part of, I think, Crooked Kingdom. I haven't bought that, but I just want to try it first. If I like this only, I'll invest in the next book. That's what I'm following for all the books. Like first I'll read the first part, or first I'll read one book from an author. If I like that, only I'll go forward with, right? Because or else I don't know. Like I don't want to waste my energy, money for the books that I might not like. Right. The next book is The Love Hypothesis by Ali Hazelwood. Oh my god. I think it's all over Bookstagram and Booktube, all over, everywhere. This book is everywhere. So I was thinking, like, why is everyone reading this book? What's there in this? So I picked this up. I wanted to give it a try. I got it for 300 rupees. They haven't. Okay. The MRP is 699. I got it for 300, less than 50% off. I'm happy for that. Okay, so yeah, next book is Yellow Face by Rebecca F. Kwang. This is also very famous on BookTube. So wanted to give it a try. Nice cover. Okay, the cover is interesting, very different. This also, I think, so I saw someone suggesting in BookTube channel. Sorry, I don't remember. I watch so many BookTube channels just to feel connected and to know how they feel while reading. So yeah, I remembered this, so picked it up right away when I saw this. This also I got for this 300 rupees. Also, I think this is a sprayed edge. I think so. Not sure. It's sprayed off. Obviously, it's sprayed, but I don't know. If it's the like the original sprayed edge book is supposed to look like this. Only the black color. Maybe, not sure. So, book is in very good condition. Okay, nice. The back cover is black. I mean, here it's yellow, black, yellow. Nice. So the next book is Set on You by Amy Leah. Okay, I don't follow Project Takoli. I'm not a big fan, but I know she's a famous YouTuber, and I also saw so many people talking about this book on BookTube. Maybe they might be fan of Project Takoli, or they might be following her for so many years. And also, I was thinking, let me give it a try. Somewhere, someone mentioned like it's very nice, so the cover is nice, actually interesting. I'm not a person who reads much of romance books. I hope I'll find something good in this. Let's see how it goes. The books I got from Book Hive, almost all the books I got 50% off. Yeah. So so these two are the bookstores I usually visit when I go to Church Street. So before moving on to books from other shop like the Crossword, which is a usual place I visit, I'm I want to just share you a small thing. When I go to Church Street or Mahatma Gandhi Road, like the place, there are I think four bookstores. Like one is Blossom Book House, Book Hive, and Bookworm, and Higginbotham's. I think yeah, that is near Metro. So there are basically four, which are amazing. And also there is another shop, Raja Rams. So five. Okay, all are very good, but Blossom Book and Book Hive, they have got discount books also, like second hand with very good price you get there. And also Bookworm, they have half discounted books and all those stuff. But in Rajarams and Higginbottoms, the book qualities are very good. Like if you want premium books, if you love books which are fresh and which are new and like, oh my god, wow, kind of thing, you can go check Rajarams and Higginbotham's shop. Also the staff there is also, they are also very good. These are the shops. I'll add the location for this as well in the description. And the next one is Higginbotham's. Higginbotham's shop, you must visit at least to see how the shop is. It's very beautiful, guys. Like the organizing, how they organized the bookstore, it's very beautiful. Do visit these two bookstores. Even if you don't buy, I suggest go just visit and see how beautiful they both are. So the last few books that I bought from Crossword, let's have a look. The Soft Kill by Shubhra Krishan. I think this is a murder mystery kind of book. I didn't go through synopsis. I didn't see it anywhere on um, BookTube or any online portal. I just picked it up. The book looks good. See how it goes. Uh, this is also a murder mystery kind of book. I got this book for 299 MRP. I know you don't get much of a discount in Crossword for new books. There is a section where they do have books with discount, I think. So this one, okay, The Jewel by Neil Hegarty. I haven't heard anything about this book online or anywhere. Okay, I just read the back cover. It's about some painting in the museum. I'm really curious how a story can be written on that topic. So yeah, I picked this. The cover is quite interesting, and the price is 599. I got it for 50% off, so I got it for 300 rupees. So the next book is, this book is famous in Bookstagram. I don't know about BookTube. Wedding on the Maharaja Express by Prakhar Viswani. Beautiful cover, interesting. Got it for 299 MRP price again. So I did read this. It's quite interesting. This is also a murder mystery kind of book. In a train, Maharaja Express. So let's see. These were all the books that I bought from the bookstores recently. I know it's quite lot of books, guys. It's like 17 books, and I don't have place to keep. I need to figure something out to store them. I need to figure out. See, let's see. I'll come up with something. These are lots of books. I bought 17 books at a time. I'm afraid I'll lose all my money. I'm spending hell lot of money on books. Is it healthy? Do you do this? I don't know. Maybe you do. No. Let me know in the comment section. Okay. I want to talk about one thing. So whenever I go to Church Street, I have got obsessed with one thing. There is a cafe named Levista. I think some of you might be knowing Levista. So I go there, I have some snack, and I drink, like I have the cold coffee, varieties of cold coffee. I really loved the cold coffee and the snacks that they provide. This is not a promotion, guys. I'm telling because I loved it. So this is a kind of ritual that I'm following. Like I'll go to bookstores, I'll buy books, and then straight away I'll go to Levista and I'll have one of my any beverage like a cappuccino or any cold drinks, and I'll have a snack. And the place is very nice, and the staff they are very kind and very good. So I read my any book, like I spend some time with book. And yeah, if you go to Church Street, try La Vista. And I did find like a new drink there, like it's, I forgot the name. Drink is coffee with fruit flavors. I tried coffee with mango flavor. I know it sounds weird, trust me guys, it was very tasty. If you like experimenting with foods and cold drinks and juice, go to Levista and try. They have very unique recipes and snacks. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Did you like this video? What books did you bring recently? I'm so curious to know. What are you reading? You read any books that I have mentioned here? And let me know, how did you feel when reading them? Are they good? Are they bad? I'm just curious to know. That's all for this video. If you love book haul kind of videos, I'll be adding my another book haul video here. Go check that out. That is also very good. It got very good books. Have a look that over there. So that's all for today. Meet you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. The next book is